Hello, good morning.
Morning. I need to.
Today we're going to Batangas. Because it's Dongdong's birthday tomorrow, right? Oh, Dongdong got a tattoo, look.
I
And
got
Ate too. And Bella too. May isang si Bella pa. Bella, do you got a tattoo? You got a tattoo?
you know. You see it?
Mommy don't have a tattoo. Ay, dapat may tattoo rin si Mommy.
So,
Yeah. See you later, guys.
so it will be bye. Bye, bye. Me too, me too, me too. See you at the pool, guys. See you pool, guys.
Bye. Do you want to vlog?
Yeah.
It's so traffic. The excavator is moving down. No.
Bella,
Say hi, Dong.
Hi.
maganda, Bella. Sino maganda?
Ocho.
Si ate daw.
Sinong cute?
Ako.
Yan.
Are you sleeping na? Mag-sleep na kayo.
I don't know. I have a day.
Huh? I have birthday? It's your birthday?
What the?
It's Dongdong's birthday tomorrow.
What the?
SM City ba ko or na tayo? Tano.
Meow, 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 meow.
Nag-video here. That's the Kabyang Tanaw.
It's the time.
Sabi sa'yo, marami may nagpapapicture din dyan dahil. Picture kita? Nag-Ryan kita sa Kabyang Tunnel. Yung pakatag-picture. Madadaan pa ba tayo dito, da? Sure. Hey, we're almost there na.
Pasyal na ako siya. Kaya na.
Sa?
Kaya lang.
Ano, Dad?
27 lang ako.
Monkey's there.
Monkey.
Hello, monkeys.
Hello, monkey. You're so cute.
Tanggal pa yung slippers na yan.
May sleep. Bel, harap ka dito, Bel.
Ben, baka tayo.
Pahiga talaga. Dito lang sa second floor. Ano na?
Come on, Ben.
Dito pasok.
Come here.
Bel! Mataas naman sa bed. Pag malikot ha, mataas yung bed. Ayan.
It's so big for us. Jumping room, jumping room. Jumping room. Jumping room. Jumping room. Ooh.
Oh, picha-pichi. Sleep first. You need to sleep first.
Sleep na muna.
Sleeping time.
This
you happy, guys?
Yeah.
Are you happy, Belle?
Yeah. Yeah, excited.
Go to the beach.
I want to swim over here.
Let's go to the beach.
I will swim over here.
Okay.
With Dong Dong.
With Dongdong, malikot niya matulog.
See, I see.
Okay.
I'll swim here, Ron. I'll swim here. I'll swim here. I want to swim over here.
Hi.
I want to swim over here.
Why? Swimming na daw sila. Oops. Si Bella. Oopsie. Can I go swim too?
Saan ka punta, ate? Saan ka punta, be?
Ben!
Oh no!
Na? What is it, Ben? What you doing, Dong? Ano? Oopsie! Dad! Nagkuhan ray pang yung musray! What are you doing, Dong? Ben!
Let me picture me over here. Picture mo ako.
Kayong dalawa nito. Ta, tingin sa ate. Tingin sa ate. No.
Nagpipicture si Bella. Ayaw.
Pumasok sa amin.
Oh, ano nang ginagawa? Nairita nga siya. May buhangin kasi.
Tulungan ako ng dahil. Alay ka dito kasi ako. Help ka ni daddy. Help ka ni daddy.
Natungkay kasi.
Oh, ate, dyan ka lang dali. Ang ganda na ate. Ito talaga na posing ko. Posing ko.
Na-posing ano?
Isa pa ang posing.
What happened? What happened? What's that? Star? Is there a star? What?
Okay.
Ganda? No.
Daddy boy, come here. Okay, sa atin na. Pwede na ikaw sa liko ka, ma'am. Sali ko doon.
Come here, Dong.
Ate, sali kayo, mami. Doon kasi kay mama. Picture.
Shake the baby shark. Mommy, shake the mommy shark.
Antok na talaga siya, mama.
Daddy, shake the dog. Skip na. Oh, wait lang. Antayin natin yung bantay. We're gonna pay him. Hey, no. Andyan lang yun. Iligpit ko yun dyan eh. Oo. Yung heart. Uy, untok si Bella. Dance bell. Uy, Bella.
Okay, man, tingin. So, tingin man, gari.
Now let's see if you can copy some phrases that sound bouncy.
Mga sa dati.
After me, big brown boots in a basket. Big brown boots in a basket.
They were so busy. Ate's busy drawing. Bella's busy dancing. Dongdong's busy watching. What? What are you doing, Dad?
Tingin mo na, tingin. Tingin sa camera to. Tingin sa camera. Big birthday nga ni.
Happy birthday, Dongdong. Happy birthday, Dongdong. Let's sing happy birthday to Dongdong, Dad. Happy birthday, Dongdong. Bella. Brianna, it's so dark pa there. Happy birthday, Dongdong. Happy birthday, Dongdong. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Dongdong. Happy birthday, Dong. How old are you now?
with Dong.
And Dongdong, how old are you now si Dongdong? You are now 3 years old. Paano yung 3? Paano yung 3 daw? Yung 3. Saan yung 3? Wow. You're now 3 years old.
I'm 4 years old na.
3 years old na si Dongdong ati.
Opo, and tapos the two.
Pero bago ko yan dahil dito na may kagat na.
Tulog na, dali tulog na.
Pagkarako ng number 3. Hindi siya nag-grind lang, nadapa siya kagabi dyan doon.
The water's warm?
The water's warm? Wow, hey, you man! Pagkatapos siya kan man, ay mga swimming man.
Okay. Saan?
Yes, okay.
Picture muna ikaw, picture.
Hold this. Picture mo sila.
Yay! Okay, mami, tingin.
Look, Pato.
Bel, sama ikaw, Bel. Mamaya ito nakaraan na. Ish, where's Dongdong? Where's Dongdong, Bella? Dongdong.
Madadali ako. Dadali na natin, Bella.
Oh,
You're full. Ate. Sakit. Oh. Don't hide yourself. Don't hide yourself. Do like this. Ano ba yan? Yes. Bella! Huwag ka naman. Smile. One, two. Tinatago kasi nito yung sarili niya. Down!
Oo nga, tingnan nga doon natin. Do it your point again. Do it your point. Tingnan ikaw basta wala.
Pool? It's a pool?
Bal, tingin sa daddy.
Dong! Dong dong! Dong!
Bang, saan ikaw?
Hindi makita. Ulit ay.
Ah, dali,
Look na kasi ate. Bella!
Isa pa. Isa pa.
Bella, look at daddy. Huwag mo kasi sabunutan natin.
Okay, stop. Bisa sa atin. Okay lang yan. It's okay lang. Kasi daddy yung okay.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh, give mo na kay Dong para ano, gift mo na kay Dong. Let's go find some seashells, Ben. How about you, Dong? Did you find? There's a small one here, oh. You wanna go check it out? This one? This one? No, not that. This one? This one? This one, oh. This one, ayun. This one. This.
That one looks like a small shell.
You've got a small shell now.
This one. What is this?
Huh?
Wait, what's this?
Ito.
There's that one too.
Another one too?
I found a second shell. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
I found a second shell. I found a second shell, Daddy. Look, Daddy, I found
Mine.
Take a picture of yourself. It's a palm.
Look, I found 4 shells.
Ate got 4 shells na.
Look. Look at the shells. I got their shells.
Bella, nagpa-find sila ng shell. Ikaw naglilinga.
Look, I got 5 of them. I got 5 shells.
Si Bella, pagka-cute. Ang gador katikang. Ang arty mo.
Picture niyan.
I found my tubig, bro. Don't come here. Let's take a walk now. Come on, let's take a walk. Come here, Belle. What happened, Belle? Hello. Hello.
Get extra money.
We're at the beach.
Go. Sabay buhangin lang talaga siya.
Wow.
Ito na ito, doon.
We show it to Dong.
Wait, this is mine because I'm Dong Dong. Me and Dong Dong are working as a team. Wait, Dong,
Me and Dong Dong are walk.
how do you use that?
Okay.
You can put our shells in it.
But it's too dirty.
Hugasan niyo dati.
Okay, Daddy, make sure don't make wash it away.
Dong, daddy na. You'll get wet. You'll get wet, Dong. You'll get wet. Hey. Show me your shells, Dong. Oh, there's a beautiful shell there. Come on.
Shell! A very big shell. Where? Where? There? Woo!
Wow!
Whoa!
Oopsie!
Sinagal, what's my name?
Come here na.
Wait ang entry mo. Hindi ka na makita, ano?
Daddy, mommy, I found the clam. Come here, mommy.
Wait lang po, wait lang.
Sige, ako sila lang picture ko.
Si Bella. Sura mo, Bella. Sura mo.
May crab yan. Sa botas. Ano to? No. Dito anak. Mm. What? There's a crab. Okay. What?
Yung naka-on ng flashlight. Ba't naka-on yung flashlight?
Ay, ewan, di ko alam.
Ito yan. Hulog ka, Ben. Para saan?
What's this?
Sa? Magdala ka lang kasi baka mag-add ng breakfast. Dad, si Dong! Why? Mag-eat tayo ng breakfast. Why? Oh, Bella. Why? Dong, come here. No, just let's wait for Daddy here. May kukunin lang si Daddy. Come on. Oh, come on. Oopsie. Ito si ate, oh. Dong. Brianna.
Let's go to the beach.
KK.
Mommy, can we go to the beach?
Wag na nga.
Why?
Si Daddy, ihi lang ako na. Ano si Bella? Ate, dito ka lang. Pantay mo si Bella.
Panguso mo naman.
Parang muna ikaw, ihi lang ako. Si Bella, yung bantay. Don't go to the gate mo na ha. Just take care of the little. I will very fast lang. Okay? Yun o, doon ikaw na. Magkakasugtog yun. Magkakasugtog mo lang. Magkakasugtog mo lang yan. Go, go, go. Hawakan mo si baby. Ay, ikaw yung baby, ha? Ella. Ella.
Ate si Bella, ha? Look here, Dong. Huh? Dong, tingin ka dito sa mami. Oh, no. Dong. Dong, Dong. 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 Wag dyan, Dong. Madudulas, makakadulas dyan eh. You're watering the plants. Eh, wala namang plants doon. Ha?
Kala ko pala ang suluwalan yung dahon.
Ay, daddy naman eh. Sino yun? Brianna, stop it.
Yeah, stop it. Come here, Ben, and down. Let's get the lid. You should leave there. Leave Ben. Come here, dog. Back in my back.
Papakahiwasling pasabi to. Nagungoso si Bella. Nagungoso si Bella.
Oh no, the valley. Paano mo i-share? Hey, stop. Time first.
Yay! You like it, Dong? Yes. What? Baka mapasukan yung ears mo, ha? Daddy, si Belle, sleeping? Oh, Belle is so sleepy na. Wants to greet Dong Dong a happy birthday. Okay, let's sing happy birthday to Dong Dong. Happy birthday, Dong Dong. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Dong Dong. Happy birthday, Dong. Dong, how old are you na? What? How old are you, Dong? How old are you? Show me your hand. Show me, show me. Show me, Dong. Ate, hold mo nga yung host muna. Isa-show ni Dong yung how old are you na. How old are you, Dong? Show to mommy. Show it to mommy. Dong. Brianna, stop it. Annabelle. Let's go home.
Ito may kape pa to.
Let's go home, Belle. Let's go home na.
Ano tayo?
Oh, mine. Hindi ko naman kinukuha yan. O, si Kuya, tulog pa. Bye, Kuya. Masyadong huyagok ay. Nagpapa... Ano yung size niya?
Ate yung big ate. Big ate na. The BBB. Big ate hinunoy. Busog ka na. Hindi mo lang kumain ng kanin. Okay. Tanda. Pag ganun-ganun. Ito. Pag ganun-ganun pa yan. Ngayon naman subok. Pag wala na nga naman yung...
Yes.
Wonderful.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time. Dong, are you sad? Why? You don't want to go home na? Yes, you want to stay here? How about you, ate?
I don't want to stay here anymore.
I don't want to stay here anymore na daw si ate. Dong want to stay here pa.
Dong, next time punta tayo dito, okay? Ang birthday ni Dong naman eh.
Okay. So 4 years old mo, you wanna come back here? Yes? No?
I wanna go here when I talk to your dog.
What?
I love it. I really love it. Ew.
Ew.
I'm cake.
On Bella's birthday, you wanna come back here? Ay? Going home na. We're going home na, Bell? Ate? Opo. Say bye-bye pa mana, Dong. Bye-bye, beach. Bye-bye, Kalayo. Kalayo talaga ng Batangas na pinuntahan namin.
Another one. What's this?
What's this? That's a mountain, Belle.
It's a mountain.
It's a mountain.
Take a video of the mountain, guys. Look.
Go to mommy, okay?
It's a mountain.
No, this is a mountain. It's a very high mountain.
You like the view? It's great, right? You like it? You like it?
Ano sinasabi? Sinasabi ni Belle?
It's a cow. I saw a cow.
Inis si Bella na inis si Bella. Inis si Bella. Kaibigan. Sayang. Monkey.
Go, monkey.
You wanna see the monkey? Tanggal mo siya sa ano. Bella o monkey? Monkey.
A real monkey. Monkey, monkey.
Yun, nasa kulor.
Oh, there's more monkeys.
You're outside.
There's more. It's a brown one over
There's a lot of monkey there.
Baba sila kasi binibigyan ng food.
Tio? Pinakausap ni Ben. Tabi, Ben. Naik na yung nandun kanina. Diba naik ka, Ben?
Please, kung sino naman yung spokesperson ninyo, introduce the band. Go ahead.
Kami po ang Bandang Kalahit at kami po ay gumagamit ng mga natutubok instrumento.
Mommy,
Huh?
am I ganda?
Of course.
Right? And you make us so proud to be Filipino. Congratulations, by the way. I was speaking to your talent manager, Sir Jaime, who, by the way, is at University of
We are cooler.
Ang sabi niya, 26 years na pala yung banda. And we had a 25th anniversary concert on November 2025.
Yummy
Kasi
corn.
iba generations now, we got
Yummy corn too.
members of the band.
The barn rabbits eat carrots. They eat.
Chicken dance, chicken dance, chicken, chicken, chicken dance.
Ben, nagawa mo, Ben?
Daddy? Daddy, go.
Aray, ang sakit. Huwag ka na kasi dumede.
I will tell where is Ate's news ko.
Aray.
Is Ate's news ko.
Ouch.
Come on.